This is a favourite of mine and you can have a lot of fun with doing this kick. It's a double spin hook kick, 2 variations and 2 ways of doing this. You can tap down in between or you can keep the leg up in between, entirely up to you. I'm going to show you both variations today. So before we get going breaking it down, I'm just going to show you a quick example of this kick and what I mean. Which also makes this kick slightly easier, okay? So let's get started. We're going to start back, keep your leg in the back, and the principle is just 2 spin hook kicks, one straight after the other, okay? So let's start with a tap down first, okay? From here, we're going to wind up the opposite direction to which we're going in first, just to gain extra momentum into this kick. So we're here, we wind up, see how I'm using my hips, I've gone onto the ball of the foot on the back of my stance. So I'm here, I'm wound up the opposite direction, and then I'm going to come back on myself, okay? So my weight transfers from this front leg to the back. So here, weight transfers to the back, okay? I then come round, I spot my target, and the main thing that you need to do in this kick is your hook kick, and take it back to the back, okay? If you place this kick in front, you've then got all kinds of problems because the only way that you can actually quickly achieve this kick and to get the 2 kicks really quick, tied in one after the other, is to take it through to the back. So you should end up after kick 1 exactly where you started, okay? So again, I'm here, I'm gonna wind up, back leg comes onto the ball of the foot, I'm then going to transform my weight, transition onto the opposite leg and come around and spot my target. Then I do the hook kick, take it all the way around to the back, okay? Then all I need to do from there is carry on the momentum, again, spot my target and hook kick round, okay? So that's variation 1 and it's also where I learn and where every one of my students have learned this kick variation. So do the tap first off, even if you do want to achieve the higher one, tap first just to get the progression and learn the moves and the technique, okay? So we're here, we've gone round, spot the target, hook kick, take it to the back, carry on the momentum for that second kick, okay? So see, when I build up the speed slightly, I don't actually pause in between the kicks. So watch, from here, wind up and go. Here, spot, down, spot, and finish, okay? So that's what you want to achieve. You want to achieve that nice building the momentum, and so everything's continuously moving, okay? There's no pause in between the 2 kicks there at all. It's just a continuation of the first kick as such. So, one more time at that speed. From here, we have a wind up, round, pivot, spot, kick, down, pivot, spot, kick. Okay? Pivot, spot, kick, down. Pivot, spot, kick, down. That's what you should be thinking whilst doing this kick. So I'll just show you one of them fast. So from here, we have the wind up and 1, 2. So moving on, let's try to do this kick variation without putting your foot down on the floor. So starting first things first, we're going to have our kick and leg in the back as we did previously. From there, we're going to wind up, counter wind up to which way we're going, okay? So from here, I'm going to counter wind, to then give me momentum to come round. And I'm gonna just show you this. I'm gonna have to go slightly faster just to get the speed. So from here, I'm gonna come in, here, then wrap to here, okay? Now see how my arms do all that work to gain that extra width within my torso. So again, just at that speed, I'm gonna counter wrap to then wrap in. I'm gonna do my kick, my arms wrap to then come out with the second kick, okay? Your arms and your torso, your hips, they're so important to get you round for that second kick. Without it, you're not gonna make it fully round. So I'll just show you again at that speed. From here, counter wind. I'm gonna come through, spot, kick, wrap, and into my second kick, okay? It's really quite simple. It's just about timing and wrapping and getting everything to work together, okay? Really get in tune with your body, figure out which parts are doing what. The kick is coming through, but before that, your body and your torso need to be round, okay? So I'm just gonna build up the speed now. So from here, I'm gonna come through, kick, wrap, kick, okay? And again, here, slightly faster this time, counter wind, and kick, wrap, kick, okay? Good, and then you just build up the speed, get more confident with it, play around, and you'll soon be flying with this kick. I'm just gonna show you a few examples, full speed, full power, to finish off. So, we counter wind, 1, 2, good. And again, one more. From here, 1, 2, and down, okay? Really get everything in coordination, working together, the arms, the hips, the body, the legs, okay? And you'll have no problems with this kick at all. Good luck, guys. That is your double spin hook complete.